G'day, it's Mike from Aussie Mike's Bees, where beekeeping is an obsession. It's still technically winter here in the Sydney region, but I have to say, spring has sprung. The weather has been beautiful, sunny and warm days. The bees have been foraging, pulling in nectar and pollen like crazy. The birds have been busy too, as you can see here. It's time for us beekeepers to get our ducks in a row. Make sure you have your equipment ready. Have your supers set to go with frames of drawn comb or foundation? Do you have flow hives? Check all your flow frames. Are the wires tight enough? You might need to put an extra twist or two in. Check everything moves properly when you turn the key. Are all the plugs still there? You might need replacements. If you're planning to do splits, have your nukes prepared so you don't get caught short. Maybe put some swarm boxes out. Get your swarm catching gear ready too. I have my everything bee vac cleaned and charged, ready for that first cutout. What about your beekeeping equipment? Check your veil for holes. Do all the zippers work? Does your jacket or suit need a wash? Are your tools clean and functional? Let's be up and running for a brilliant season. Happy beekeeping, guys.